Hi, and welcome to the Educational Technology Training Support site. This welcome video was designed to introduce the website and highlight key features of the training program and to help you navigate key features of this site. The purpose of this site is to support educators with their technology professional development. This site complements a district technology training plan that was designed for Montgomery County Public School employees. For more information about this district technology training plan, you can watch this video below. The next section of the website introduces the support staff, Jennifer Ventura, who is the developer of the district technology training plan and also provides contact information for her as well. The goals for the district technology training plan are listed on the website with four objectives related to integration, authentic audiences, Web 2.0, and web quests. The goals and objectives for the workshops and the trainings offered in this district technology training plan were designed to align with the International Society for Technology and Education educator standards. You can click here to see all of the ISTE standards. However, the standards that are directly aligned with these trainings are listed on this page of the site. The next section is the training content, and this is a detailed list of all of the trainings that are offered within this plan. The detailed list includes a brief description. It includes how the courses are offered, as well as the level of the audience. And there is a list of the participant levels and a description up here. And if you scroll through, you can see all of those trainings are listed. Of those trainings, a 5-day workshop was created. And these 5-day workshops are offered for Montgomery County Public Schools to support their use of educational technology within the classroom. And here is a description of the 5-day workshop. And finally, there are support resources that you can explore. MCPS resources such as MCPS Technical Support, the Office of Chief Technology Officer. There's educational technology resources if you're looking for more support within the classroom, as well as the ISTC resources on the standards for educators and students. I hope you find this website to be useful in supporting your ongoing professional development. Thank you.